Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? What's going on this time? The Polygon price in last 3 days, as you can see, my friend, very badly fell down. But don't worry, my friend. And finally, after October, you can see here, my friend, at midnight, they will starting moving upward. Absolutely, after this point, as you can see here, they will completely change the direction and completely go to the moon. So let's dedicate this coin to upcoming time. The huge jump is coming soon, or the huge dump is coming. This is very important for all holders now, so kindly I'm going to explain now, but please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, this time you can see here the Polygon price. The Polygon price is 1.58 USD dollar, but it's jump up from 1.62. I think it's a short pump, and absolutely it's a very good now. In last 24 hours, you can see here 4.69% the price is pumps now. So I think, my friend, this time you can see this is one of the unique coins. They will get up and they will wake up. Otherwise, my friend, a lot of coins will very badly fails down. In this coin, I think go to completely the moon now. As you can see, first of all, my friend, after a fails, every coin will pumps up. So the circulation is completely told you, my friends, to in upcoming time the very huge pump is coming soon. But definitely they will take some time, my friends. I think in the last 10 days of every month, every coin will wake up. So therefore, I hope, my friends, the current condition is also very good. So I hope, my friends, in last 10 days they will completely, my friends, go to the moon. And there's a new, very huge explosion is coming soon. So thanks for watching, Polygon holders. Please, my prediction is 100% going positive, and my opinion is for all of you to please hold down. And what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Please, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think it's a really good time, my friends, to invest now, because the price is very cheap, and I know, my friends, in upcoming time the price is hit now $2 USD. So what's your advice? What's your opinion? Everything please share now in a comment box. Love it and keep touch with us. Like video and subscribe channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.